I was going over some stocks on Sunday night and thought I'd upload it for Global Investor Radio today on the 24th, which is a Monday. These are in the Diversified Communication Services Sector. Bit of a long-winded name. Basically, these companies help people communicate. Right, let's get down to brass tacks. Vonage Holdings. I've read a lot of negative publicity about this company in the last few years. From a contrarian standpoint, there has been a lot of bad publicity really in the last few years. That seems to be getting a little bit better. It seems to be based in nicely in a lower area, and it looks to be a good accumulation action here. I would say sometime in the next sort of 2 to 3, 4 year period, you could easily see it above $6 to $8. Right, this is Maxcom Telecommunications. It's a Mexican company. Again, it looks to have come down quite nicely, bottomed out in 2009 with most other stocks. End of the downtrend here where my mouse is really. And then you've had a nice downtrend here, quite gradual, which was broken about here. And now the market has started to move up. Of course, this market could flaff around for the next couple of years, but if you are looking to diversify your portfolio and buy into something with good value, then this stock here, Maxcom, looks to be good in the next, say, 5 to 6 years. We could easily see the price from where it is now moving up to at least the $8 to $10 region. Hickory Tech Corp. Again, this is a monthly chart here, not a weekly, and you can see a huge downtrend here, coming all the way down and kind of be broken roughly around 2008. It didn't participate in the bull market from 2003 to 2008, so it's been in a downtrend for a very, very long time. Here in end of 2008, early 2009, you see a lot of buying support coming into the market. Big volume days, a big upward volume day that was a record, and that really signaled the turn of the market. And for the last 3.5, 4 years, it's gone up from $5 and sits where it is today at around $11. Looks to potentially be a little bit of a head and shoulders, the shoulders here, and over here where my mouse is, and the head down here, a little mini head and shoulders here as well. Excuse me, and the market seems to be curving nicely as well, which is often a good sign that a more prominent uptrend is about to develop. The only thing I would say is that the last sort of couple of years, this kind of spike in action here is not good. I would wait really till the market settles down before I had extreme confidence in this. But if you draw a line around $10 here at this resistance, you can see where my mouse is, I'm moving along, that the market, every time it's hit that, it's kind of moved back up. This could be a false resistance. It's a really wait and see game from here. If I was a gambling man, I would say that the probabilities, are looking sort of around 70 to 75% for this to push up in the next 3 to 4 years to at least around the 15 to $16, $17 level. Level 3 communications. Again, I'm not entirely happy with the last, say, 1.5 to 2 years of action where my mouse is. There's been a lot of upward movements generating a lot of enthusiasm amongst the public. I'd really like the stock to settle down into a really quiet consolidation period. But as you can see where my mouse is here, from $10 to 2010 where it's about 14, these are pivotal points, and every time it gets down to these pivotal points, someone seems to buy them back up. So we can only watch it in this area of consolidation, but I do feel that that market at some point will move up. Vipel Communications, nice ticker symbol, VIP. As you can see here, the main reason why I uploaded this chart here was this fantastic accumulation period from 1997 really all the way to 2003, mid-2003, with a nice step level at the end, moving up, a consolidation with a flat top triangle here where my mouse is as well, and it breaks out of the base area of many years and moves up and has a fantastic upward movement. As you can see here, the distribution where my mouse is, big wide swings in prices, and heavy volume as well. If you look at the volume where it was distributing compared to the volume when it was moving up, it's double, 3 times the amount where it was a few years back. It's been in a significant downtrend, and it's beginning its new period of accumulation. I wouldn't be buying into VIP yet, so I'd be holding on and waiting for more decent price action to develop to form an opinion. Nippon Telegraph Telephone Company, ticker NTT. Nice downtrend from sort of end of 1999 all the way down to 2002. Very steep, very hard downtrend, the kind of downtrend that really kills people if they're on the wrong side of the market. There's been buying coming into the market at around the $15 level, and it's forming some strong pivotal points around the $15 to $20 level. And as you can see here, it's becoming quite tight in its range, and it's just broken out of the $25 range. That's a buy for me, and I would look to hold on to this perhaps till it reached about 35 or 40, and then I'd reconsider once the market started consolidating again and decide whether to keep a long position or sell out. Cincinnati Bell, CBB, again, this is very nice accumulation action here on a monthly chart. Very steep downtrend broken in about 2005. It's been basing along the bottom. I would still be cautious here because it hasn't broken these 3 points at the top here where my mouse is, here and here and here. But I am accumulating on a small basis, and we'll be watching this market further in the next 6 months to a year. And it looks to be a good bet to rise up to at least the $10, $15 level over the next couple of years. Or maybe it would take longer because of the Dow at the moment being at near potentially a peak as it's going to be. Maybe this market will accumulate for longer, and it may well take another couple of years to move out of its base. But it's a very good long-term prospect, worth watching. Primus Telecom, I thought I'd put this on here because this is a daily chart over 1 year, and as you can see here, there's nice accumulation action over the last sort of 2 or 3 months, and it kind of sort of broken a downtrend here with pivotal points, and it's curving around. I just uploaded this because sometimes some weeks I do the odd short-term position trading where I'll take a position for a couple of weeks or a month. And this is one of the trades that I'd be looking to do that this week. Take a position in Primus Telecom Group for 2 to 3 weeks on the long side. Okay, over and out, and I'll be uploading a couple more screencasts today as well. Thanks for listening. Take care. Bye bye now.